What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle, Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, I wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to talk about a way that you can make a residual income with TCP. Just because I always mention that it is a evergreen system. So since it is an evergreen system, I wanted to shoot this video to show you how you can actually make money, and necessarily even with your program or even outside of your program. For guys, you know that each time that I join a program, I always shoot a video and I show you how I actually make funnels or make capture pages or sales pages around those particular videos. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and pull a video for easy one. No, we're gonna do best easy work. All right, so I'm gonna go over here to best easy work here. So pretty much here, best easy work here. Let me pause it. Hello, my friend. It's just pretty much going through, explaining the system, the company, kind of giving a quick overview before you actually go into the program. Because a lot of times, if the page is very, I'm gonna say it's not enticing or very generic looking, you want to have something in the beginning also that makes you look different, where you don't look the same as far as anybody else in your main opportunity or your business program. So a lot of times people are using the same pages. So let me just kind of show you. If you were to go here, there's a capture page that's tied to this, but I just want to show you the sales page. So boom. Now if I just marketed and promoted this page here, I probably wouldn't get a lot of conversions just alone off of this. Excuse me. I wouldn't get a lot of conversions. So when I have the video in front of this, it's actually showing normal people that have made some money with the company, that is seeing some type of success with the program. So before they even see this program, they're going to see that particular video first. I've shot videos also showing you about MCA, things of that matter. So you can just kind of see different ones that I've done in the past there and pages that I have made. So let me kind of go back here. I want to show you guys um, something else here. So we're going to go back to landing pages here. So let's just say you're into fitness. Okay. So you're going to fitness. So we can preview this page. You work hard in the gym, new products. So it just kind of gives you a quick overview. So let's just say you like that, right? And you wanted to go in and actually edit. So you could copy that page, and then I'm going to kind of go over here and show you. And we have full training in the back office, where you can actually see the differences on these and how to make changes, whatever. But I'm just going into a generic TCP. Okay. So if you were to go in here, you can see where it says provide background, pick background image. You can always go in and change these out once you copy to the page. You can always go in and make some different. These are all the different backgrounds that you can choose and apply them. Very easy to change. If you want to make sure that you want to change the text, so you can kind of go over here, text, different text, the shadow of it, background, colors. You can change all that out. That's just that simple. I want to show you how. Pause that. So just that simple. You can go and change these out. Background link. Actually put your links in down here if it's redirected. Guys, it's very simple to use. But that's why I say this system can be used for anybody. So I'm going to kind of go back up here and just show you other landing pages. So now that you get the logistics of, oh, now I can go in, edit, and make changes like that. That's cool. So it's the same thing. So let's say weight loss. It's running a little funky. It's starting to run hard here. So let me close some of this other stuff up.
You're definitely going to see it tonight.
Here's another
got special guests tonight. We've got some powerful.
So, pretty much here's another one. Total Life Changes, TLC. So that's if you're in TLC, here's a page already pretty much done for you, along with an actual presentation, a hangout here presentation, where everyone's breaking it down, where you're getting a lot of in-depth big people on this particular program. Okay, so that's just one. Let me kind of go and see another one. Let's see what else they got here. Let's do a preview of something else. So there's another one. And again, I showed you how you can change these. So if you're going out, you're doing Facebook ads, or you have a lot of influence, or you're in a particular business and you need to brand yourself, you can build pages just like we're showing you how you can brand yourself and your team. And the thing is, your team can copy these same pages and messages. We give you follow-up messages and series as well that you can copy codes as well. So autoresponders. So when someone requests information and they enter in their email from here, what's going to happen is you're going to have a list of messages that go out daily to try to entice them to join. If you're any type of travel company or program, let's see. So this is a video presentation behind this one here. I mean the actual video on this capture page. So this is a travel video. So you're going to have a message follow series, so that way it builds a relationship with your people that request information. You see what I'm saying? I'm just showing you guys what you can do with this. These are some of the different pages. I never really go a little deep. I always go over MCA, show you guys MCA. Just because I'm a part of that company, and a lot of people we brought in this is the reason that we made so many MCA pages, because a lot of people that are inside of TCP is also inside of MCA. So that's why we have a lot of pages designed for strictly MCA. If you're in any type of cryptocurrency business, you guys know that I'm in crypto as well. So I make a lot of pages as well with crypto, but just to show you some of the ones that we already have here, and you can change these, guys. These are just to kind of get you going and started. That's why we have these here, to get you going, to get your brain thinking, to actually think about, okay, what type of page, or if I don't know where to start, let me go ahead and kind of build an idea off of this page. That's why we have these. So if you want to learn how to make pages eventually later down the line, you still have something that you've kind of done up and critiqued and made up yourself while you were building, learn how to build in the process. So credit programs, let's look. FES, guys, you gotta think about it. These are the type of pages that you can make with this particular program. I'm just showing you. Oh, that's the same one. What a coinky dink. Let's try this one. I like this one. It's pretty slick. I like that page. But that's pretty cool. That's a nice page. We're just showing you here, man. These are different pages. These are different things that you can build around this particular company. And check this out, guys. It's free. Okay? You can take 7-day trial for free. And the only thing I do is go out and I go and market. So many people go and they market in all these different Facebook groups, and they're marketing their business, saying their business is better than this business is better than this business. And at the end of the day, no one's getting sales, but everyone is looking for leads. So what we provide is a lead source as well. Okay? So if you are tired of chasing friends and family, you're tired of posting on social media and not getting any action, this is why we tell you, because if you're in any type of program in business, you need leads. So whatever program you're in, it doesn't matter. I don't care what program you're in. I just want you to be a part of TCP so you can start getting some leads. You can start building your pages. You can have it for your team. You're getting duplication. You're branding yourself. You're doing everything that you need to do in business. People join business and they think, hey, I just need to do one thing differently and I'm going to start making all these sales. At the end of the day, people still you have to put yourself out there, or at least be, or look like something. I'm just telling you, people join people, not programs. So if you want to go out there and market and promote someone else, that's fine. But at least brand yourself before you let their lifestyle video take over, is what I want to say here. And I hope that you guys are listening to this. If you're going to use other people's sales funnels, at least brand yourself, or have something that brands you in the end, where it's follow-up messages, a bridge page before they see the main page, something. Brand yourself, please. Okay? So, let's just say you want to get generic business leads, male and females. We have them. Female leads, male only leads. So I'm not going to go to live interview leads yet. And the reason I'm going to show you because they're different leads. They're a different set of leads. But these other leads are all the same price. Okay, so if you got buy 50 leads, you're paying 88 cents per lead, $44 for that particular package. $85 for 100 leads, 132 for 160 leads. You see, so it gets higher and higher on that end because the more leads that you get, the better deal that you're getting as well. It's kind of what they're saying. But you can go here, and what happens is that whatever message follow-up series that you build, so if I have it for MCA, they're going to get my MCA messages, and I can also reach out to these people via text, email, whatever I want to do. Send a video, email, it does not matter. I can actually reach out to them. Okay? Now, if I want to go in and I want to buy leads strictly for TCP, what's going to happen is that TCP is going to market to them for me. That's what they're going to do. So anybody that I pretty much put buy leads for, TCP is going to close those sales, and they're all going to be my TCP sales. So if you just want to market TCP, just log in and just let them do the work. Buy leads and send them to your TCP deal, and you're good to go. Okay? Now let's go into live leads. These leads are a little bit higher because they have been tested, called, interviewed. These people are pretty much waiting on you to call them with opportunity. So these leads are a little more higher, a little more, hot leads. So that is why I say these leads are better because they're ready to go. It's almost like buyer's leads, okay? Same deal, same exact way. You just want to reach out to them. Now, what if you say, well, Jay, I don't know how to go out and market. I don't have money. That's cool. You have more time than money. That's fine. Then you can definitely go back here. So the Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube training, Craigslist, building funnels, branding yourself, card programs, offline marketing. You can kind of see, guys. These are all the different trainings that we have here that's strictly made for TCP and for you to go in and do your thing. You want to learn how to use the system. Everything's here. Okay. So including all these tools that you're going to get: the landing page builder, the autoresponder, your email broadcaster, webinar builder, SMX text broadcaster, blogging platform, your link rotator, your tiny URL where you can make smaller links. Guys, you're going to really love this system, and you can check it out for free, okay? They do pay out $25 residual income for everyone that actually joins at the $50 level if you like it. Or you can come in semi-annually, or you can come in annually. These are the payments here that I have received, guys. I've been involved in this program for a very long time. Go all the way back since 2016 when they were offering a dollar trial at that time. So the program does pay out, guys. You can make some good money. It's weekly. It's residual income. So you do the work once, you keep getting paid. I just wanted to kind of show you this here, shoot this video just to show you that you can make some good money with the Conversion Pros. Like I said, residual income on top of whatever program that you're doing. Guys, I have multiple programs that I'm involved in, from TCP to MCA to Best Easy Work to Easy One Up, on down to my crypto investments as well. And that's just some of my programs that I have. So definitely, if you want to check this out, it's going to be a link at the bottom. You can join for free. Click it. It's your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.